Here are 8 signs of foundation problems so you can catch it early. Cracks in the walls or floor. Cracks can be horizontal, vertical, diagonal, or in a stair-step pattern. They can appear on basement walls, drywall, slab floors, and around the windows and door frames. Misaligned or sticking doors and windows. Windows and doors that are difficult to open or close, or may have shifted within the frames, point to foundation settlement and often accompany other problem signs. Gaps between walls, windows, or doors. Gaps of any kind, whether around doors, windows, walls, or floors, also indicate foundation settlement. They can let in water and pests and lead to additional problems. Sagging or slanting floors. Unstable floors that are sagging, slanting, bouncy, and uneven don't necessarily mean there's a problem with the flooring material itself. Rather, the supports below are failing because of water, mold, rot, or unstable underlying soil. Leaning chimney. A chimney needs to stand straight and tall on the side of your house, not look like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. If the structure is cracking and pulling away, it could be due to unstable shifting soil underneath it. Bowing basement walls. Your basement walls also need to stay sturdy and upright. Because of their underground location, they can succumb to hydrostatic pressure that has enough force to push basement walls inward. This results in bowing walls that also crack and leak water. Musty smell from mold, rot, and mildew in the basement or crawl space. Musty odors and mold growth can result from a foundation that is cracked, shifted, and allows moisture and water inside. Damp walls, leaks, or water intrusion. Quite similar, cracking and bowing walls can let water inside and result in dampness, leaks, and flooding.